Hi guys. So yeah, it's the 10th of December and I've decided I want to get on board with this Vlogmas business that everybody's doing. I know it's a little bit late, but it's better late than never. So this is the first day that I'm going to be uploading on a daily basis up until Christmas or the New Year. And I have a lot of things going on at the moment, or at least I'm preparing for some fun stuff. So obviously you've got the whole Christmas shopping and the presents and seeing your family and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be vlogging that. I work from home at the moment, so you'd think it's not all that exciting, but I'm going to make it very exciting. I'm following a new diet as always. I'm doing some exercise, yay, after like months and months of not doing anything. And we are going on a holiday. So my whole family is going on holiday and I'm going along with them. I think Dan is going as well. We haven't booked our tickets. Of course we haven't. We were waiting for like last minute to see if there's any cheap flights, but the price has been steadily either going up or staying the same. So I think we're going to book our tickets today and join my family to wherever they're going a day later or 2 days later. So that's what we need to do. We're going away somewhere hot, destination to be revealed soon, and it's quite far away, but I'm so excited. We still haven't decided whether Dan's coming. I don't know why, we're just being really long about it. But yeah, welcome to my Vlogmas videos. Video number 1 on the 10th of December. A little bit late, but it's better late than never. Anyway guys, so I'm off to the market. I'm off to the market to get some vegetables and some fruitses. So join me in this freezing cold. And I'm filming in my what should we call this? What should we call this? In my little the bit where you put your shoes, basically. Yeah, we've got like a little section in our house where we put our shoes and stuff, like a little corridor before the main corridor, and I'm just filming in there. It's got a lot of light. I live in a basement flat, so there isn't much light, and this is one of the sections that has light, apart from my bedroom and like near the back of the house, like the garden area. So yeah, taking this opportunity to use this natural light. That's how I feel. I feel like angel beams coming through. Oh my god, I'm getting a dead arm. Ouch. Ooh, damn. And the outfit of the day today, is my Royal Holloway jumper representing, and just your denim jacket and just your trainers and leggings, my staples. This coming year, guys, I'm going to improve my fashion. I'm going to be on it. Whoo, dead arm. All right, guys, see yous. Songwriting process. This is one of the ways that I write music. I normally write on keyboard, so just organic and live, but sometimes when I get tracks sent to me by producers, I will sit down and I'll just do the top line. So top lining is when you write the vocal melody and the lyrics and you send that through to whoever sent it, to the manager or producer. And I'm just about to make dinner for Daniel. I've had my dinner. What time is it? It's 6:15. I've had my dinner. I had grilled chicken with peas, so really, really plain. I'm going to make Dan a vegetable lasagna. So, here we are. I don't have many ingredients, so I'm going to make it up as I go along. I'm going to put in whatever I can find. So I've got courgettes. So bad. I've got courgettes. I've got some garlic. Oh my god, we went shopping yesterday. Tomatoes. That's fine. It's going to be tomato heavy. And some peppers. So obviously we're going away next week, so we need to use everything in the fridge. So I'm just going to bang it in there and hope for the best. I've got some more tomatoes. Yep. Hi guys, so this is the end of the Vlogmas day 1, but for me, but it's day 10 really, because it's the 10th of December, and Mr. this one has just had the lasagna that I made. Don't laugh, Daniel.
It's lovely.
It was okay. It was okay.
Lovely.
It went a bit pear-shaped, but you know, at least he got something to eat today.
Mm-hmm.
Agreed?
It's very nice. It's lovely.
No, he's such
Nice
a
and
lie.
cheesy, vegetable-y.
Okay, so he eats anything that I put on his plate. He says everything is nice. That's why I can never believe when he says my food is nice, because he says everything is nice. So I just don't know. Anyway, it's the end of the day, and I think I've done pretty well, right? I think I've done pretty well. Just gonna go have a shower, and off to bed I go. Ready for tomorrow. I don't know why I feel the need to sing every single thing that I say, but yeah, that's me. Anything to add?
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, just saying bye.
Alright, bye.
You're so rubbish.
Bye.
What are we up to tomorrow? Coming up tomorrow.
I'm going to work.
Oh gosh, I'm going to be at home. We're going to put the Christmas tree up. We're going to enjoy it for how many days? How many days we're going to... 6 days. 6.
No.
Are we even... Okay,
Enjoy
4.
it for about 2 days.
We're going to enjoy it for about 2 days. But we're going to enjoy it regardless. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching my day 1 of Vlogmas. Woo! I'm so proud of myself, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and please turn on your notifications. And I'll be posting another video tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.